So we're back at the Murray Speed Shop and we are working on the Datsun. So currently, I think last video we put the motor in for the very first time and it looked like it was gonna fit. So now we are carrying on and trying to make it fit. So Alan's our master fabricator. So he's been working on it while it's been sitting in his backyard. So where we are right now is the motor and transmission is fitted.
Oh, it's in. See, it's right over there.
It's fitted.
It's in the backyard.
And it goes in. So right now, but we're building new motor mounts after we cut the front cross member out and then flipped it around and put it back in. So we had to build new motor mounts. I think right now we're waiting on, what are we waiting on? The transmission mount?
No, we're fixing to put the engine back in it.
Oh, surprise!
Transmission mounts tomorrow.
Transmission mounts tomorrow. We're getting ready to put the motor back in. So we'll get right to that. And because I promised you in the last video that we would tell you in this video what it is, here it is. It is an Ecotech LE5 2.4 liter. I'm trying to get the angle right. Out of a Pontiac Solstice. So that is what we're putting in it and trying to make it fit. So we're gonna get transmission mounts I think tomorrow. Yep. But right now we're gonna put it back in and keep fabricating away to make this thing happen. Today's day 2. It's Shellie and Alan day. Everybody else apparently is racing this weekend or working this weekend. So me and Alan are messing around with the Datsun. I think, did you get the transmission mount? We're waiting on a transmission mount. Once we get that, then motor and transmission will be mounted and done. We're working on fuel system stuff today and possibly exhaust. We're just going to see what all we can get done because we're running out of time. So we are doing a catch-up video real quick. I think I was not here last weekend and nobody recorded anything. Teammates.
Some of us are too busy working to record things.
So to catch you up on what has been happening, because work has not stopped, I will take you on a little tour.
I don't think it looks ugly.
All right, so first things first, while we were away, Alan went ahead and finished up the front. We've got the radiator support back in. I think we had to cut most of this out just to get the motor slid in there, so that's now back in. We've got, what else do we have? Motor mounts. Motor is mounted. I don't think you can see it. I can't get to a good spot, but it is mounted, so it's in there. Let's see, what else have we done? If we go under the car, we have everything mounted underneath. There's the new transmission mount right here. Alan pretty much made it from scratch because we got one, it was wrong. We got another one, it was wrong. We did end up finding a bigger rear end, and surprisingly enough, the bigger rear end came out of a 68 Roadster. So we've got the rear end in now, and Alan made us some new mounts, these little guys right here. And today we're gonna work on the backs. So we'll go back to the back. So we've got the back. The back looks done. I guess Alan has been working today before we got here. So the backs are done, and we're just gonna keep trucking along. Let's see what everybody's got. What are we working on today, guys? Has anybody decided?
I'm taking a nap.
Nap!
Nap. I did my part.
Finish the back.
Well, it's not finished. It's close.
Close to finished.
Yep. The car sits.
So, what are we going to do today? What else is left? I know me and Justin were going to work on the rear end.
We're going to finish up the rear end. I did the gas tank.
Gas tank's done?
Well, the bulkhead's fitted in. There's still a 90-degree fitting on the way for the return line.
Matt's here. Hey, Matt.
Hello.
So, one other thing that we are doing today is we're going to roll Jim out. Jim's back here. Let's take a tour of...
Jim lives.
Let's take a tour
Jim
of...
just cranked. Jim cranked.
Alan's car lot.
Shop yard.
Shop yard.
Yeah.
So Jim is all the way back here. We already got Jim's hood open. Jim runs. We just put a new battery in, got him started, so we're going to pull him out and get him working again too. So keep watching. It's kind of hit or miss what we're working on, but we'll try to pause and keep you up to date, up to speed, kind of fill in some blanks as we go. A lot has happened